Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving and backing up the file so nothing is lost. This protects your work while you test fixes. Next, check Excel version and apply updates because many bugs are resolved by patches. Once done, restart Excel in safe mode and disable add-ins to isolate causes. You'll quickly see if the problem is an extension versus the core app. If safe mode fixes it, re-enable add-ins one by one to identify the offender and note which triggers the issue. Now you diagnose the workbook contents. Use evaluate formula and error checking to step through failing calculations so you understand why results differ. Make sure cells contain the correct data types and formats, often numbers stored as text break formulas. Also unhide rows and columns, inspect named ranges for broken references, and confirm calculation mode is set to automatic. If external links exist, update or break them. These checks reveal the root cause and guide the targeted fix you will apply next. Finally, apply repairs. Fix incorrect formulas, replace volatile functions like indirect if they slow or break workbooks, and limit ranges to reduce errors. If the file is corrupted, use Excel's open and repair or export sheets to CSV and re-import into a new workbook. Once rebuilt, optimize with tables and structured references to prevent recurrence. Make sure to test every change on a copy. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup. That single troubleshooting habit saves hours and preserves data integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.